take here only 5 questions, remaining 3 you have to solve at home. Then take the first question. The question 1 is that choose the correct alternative answers for the following sub questions. First one is which of the following is quadratic equation? Here is the question, that quadratic equation. Now observe carefully. For this first one, A, when we multiply both sides of the equation by x, then this x get cancelled, but here is the index is 3. So that this is not quadratic equation, because in quadratic equation there is index is 2. Now observe carefully, when we multiply this x to this bracket, we get that x square plus 5x minus 2 is equals to 0. By comparing with the index of this, p is 2, so that it is a quadratic equation. For this, when we transpose this to this another side, then n is equals to minus 1. Here is index is 1. This is also not a quadratic equation. When we have to multiply it, then it becomes, here is again 2 upon x square. We have to multiply it by again 2x square. Then we convert here x into x square becomes x cube. Mean that index is 3. So that this is also not a quadratic equation. So the answer of the first sub question is B. So I have right answer B. Here is x in bracket x plus 5 is equals to 2. Can you understand? Then we see the second sub question. Which of the following is not, look carefully, not quadratic equation? म्हणजे खाली कोणतं quadratic equation नाही. Now student observe A, x square is equals to, here is also x square. When we transpose it, convert as minus, or to the both sides of the equal sign they get cancelled, same sign. So that these two get cancelled means this having index is 1. So A is not a quadratic equation. It not a. Now look carefully, when we transpose here, then x square minus 4x is equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Here is also when transpose it is also quadratic equation. Now observe carefully this one, D. When we transpose here, minus twice x square, means that index is also 2, means that this is also quadratic equation. These three are the quadratic equation. Only A is not quadratic equation, and question is that not quadratic equation. So that our answer is A. Which one is x square plus 4x is equals to 11 plus x square. Okay. Then we see the third one is which of the following is the value of k. k ची value काढायची if the roots of x square plus kx plus k is equal to 0 are real and equal. We know that student, if the roots are real and equal, then the value of discriminant means that delta is equals to 0. So that first we compare this. Such equation you have to solve in your rough page. Now here I have to solve here x square plus kx plus k is equals to 0. Now by comparing this with the standard form, the value of A is equals to 1, B is equals to k, and C is also equals to k. Student, then the roots are real and equal, means that B square minus 4AC is equals to 0. Then we substitute this value, B is k square minus 4 into 1 into k is equals to 0. Then k square minus 4k is equals to 0. Take common k here. K minus 4 is equals to 0. Mean that if the product of two term is 0, mean that k is equal to 0, or k minus 4 is equals to also 0. Mean that k is equals to how much? 4. Means the answer is k is equals to 0 and 4. Here is k is equal to 0 and 4 is C. So that the answer of the sub question third is C. Answer is 0 or 4. Okay. Then we see the question number 4 here. Which of the following is the value of the discriminant for root 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now the value of discriminant means that we have to use again b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now we have to find out the value of discriminant here, means that b square minus 4ac ची value आपल्याला इथे काढायची. So compare this to the standard form, we get that a is equals to root 2, b is equals to minus 5, and c is equals to also plus root 2. Then we have to find out the value of discriminant, means that b square minus 4ac is equals to, here is b is minus 5 square plus minus 4 into a Then we see the last question of this one is which of the following equation has root 3 and 5. म्हणजे खालीलपैकी कोणत्या इक्वेशनचं रूट हे 3 आणि 5 आहे. नाउ स्टुडंट rub this portion here. Observe carefully each a having x square minus 15x plus 8 is equal to 0. Mean that we have to factor this plus 8 such as which having addition is minus 15. There is no solution for it, so that these 3 and 5 are not root of this equation. Observe carefully x square minus 8x plus 15. The 1 and 15 having product is plus 15. Now find the factors of plus 15 which having addition is minus 8. Now at that time I have taken 5 3s. Both having minus minus sign. Minus minus it convert as plus. When we adding it, it is addition is minus 8. So that this is the correct factor. Now all of you know that when we have to use this value for this minus 8x, means that you have to substitute this value. Then at that time we write here x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 is equals to 0. Means that we split this value for the middle term. At that time we take common here x in bracket x minus 5 minus 3 in bracket x minus 5 is equals to 0. Means x minus 5 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. That is the product of two term is 0, means that at least one of them must be 0. So I will take it this value is equal to 0 and this value is also is equal to 0, means that x is equals to 5 or x is equals to 3. Means that 3 and 5 are the roots of this equation. Means that D is correct. Now then see, look at this 6. We cannot find out the factors of 5 which having addition is plus 3. So 3 and 5 are not root of this equation also. Observe for this also minus 15. We have to find out the product of minus 15 which having addition is plus 8. Student, for this we take the value only 5 into 3 or 15 into 1. Now when we take these two as the factors, then this if you have to take any sign minus and plus, then it becomes minus 15. Then when we are adding it, we get minus 2 or plus 2. So that this is not the factors of this equation. Now for this also, when we take its product is minus 15, at that time you use the any one having minus sign, then it having the addition is minus 14 or plus 14. So that this is also not factors. So the correct answer means that the root of the equation B is 3 and 5. So the answer of this sub-equation is B is x square minus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0. Student, can you understand this? Okay, we see the next question, question number 2. So simple. Remaining 3 sub-questions you have to solve at home. We take the second question. The second question is, which of the following are quadratic equations? First one is x square plus 2x plus 11 is equals to 0. Student, when you observe carefully this equation, here is the index is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. So I have to write here x square plus 2x plus 11 is equals to 0. Here the highest index of variable x is 2. Therefore this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Then second one is x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to x square. Transpose this to this another side. We directly write here x square, this minus x square minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Then x square get cancelled. The equation becomes minus twice x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now here is the index is 1. Means that here we write here the highest index of variable x is not 2. Here is it, index is 1, x is not 2. Therefore this is x plus 2 bracket square means that we have to use identity here a plus b bracket square. This identity is a square plus twice ab plus b square. By using this I have directly write here. Now the square of this bracket is x square plus 2 into x into 2 means that 4x plus b square means 4 is equals to twice x. When we transpose to all this side, we get that twice x square minus x square. This one is the minus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. The subtraction is x square minus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. Here, the highest index of variable x is how much? 2. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. Can you understand? So simple question. Student, in the question number 3, there is 3 sub questions. I have taken here only 2, mean that first and last question. Second one is for your homework. Now, the first one is solution of it. The question is find the value of the discriminant. You have to find out the value of the discriminant for each of the following equation. Means that you have to find out the value of delta. Means delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now for this is the equation 2y square minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So comparing with the standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get the value of a is, when we comparing it, a is 2, then value of b is, comparing with, we get minus 1 and c is plus 2. Then we have to find out the value of discriminant, means that delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now d is how much? Minus 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is also 2. Then minus 1 square is plus 1 minus 4 to the 8 to the 16. Then the subtraction becomes minus 15. Means that the value of the discriminant is minus 15. Write down in full sentence answer. The value of discriminant is minus 50. Then we take the third one is sub question third. Second you have to solve at home. Now its solution. This is also quadratic equation because here is index is 2. So comparing with this equation in standard form, first I will write this root of 5x square minus x minus root 5 is equals to 0. Comparing with the standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get the value of a is root 5, then b is minus 1 and c is minus root 5. Look at each sign, plus minus minus. Then we have to find out the value of discriminant in that delta, b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 1 square minus 4 into root of 5 into c is also minus root of 5. Minus root of 5. Student, minus 1 square is plus 1, minus minus convert as plus. Root 5 into root 5 is root 25, means that only 5, taking square root of root 25 is 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 is how much? 21. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, therefore, the value of discriminant is 21. Can you understand this? We see the next question. Next question, question number 4 is, if one root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus ax minus 2 is equal to 0 is minus 2, we find the value of k. Now here is one root of the equation is given. So in our solution I have write here here is one root is -2 means I have write here x is equals to -2 is one root of given quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equals to 0. Student, mean that this value is satisfy this equation. So we substitute this value x of is equals to -2 into this equation, we get the value of k. Therefore substituting x is equals to -2 in given equation. Now the equation is 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equals to 0. Substitute the value of x is -2, means that 2 into -2 square plus k into -2 is equals to 0. -2 square is plus 4. 4 into 2 is 8 plus and minus plus minus k into 2 is 2k. Then this -2 as it is equals to 0. Then this 8 minus 2 I have to write here -2k is equals to 8 minus is equals to this 8 convert as -8 and this plus 2. Then -2k is equals to subtraction is -6. Then changing their signs, minus convert as plus, mean that 2k is equals to 6. Therefore k is equals to 6 upon 2. Means when we simplify it, we get that the value of k is equals to 3. Then the right answer in full sentence, the value of k is 3. Okay, we see the next question. Let's see the next question. Question number 5. Two roots of quadratic equations are given here. Two roots are given here. Frame the equation. Now we have to frame the equation here. The roots are 10 and -10. The first question. Second sub question is 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 plus 3 root 5. And third one is you have to solve at home. Okay. Now first I have to take its solution. Two roots are given. We know that alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So let here is first root, means that alpha is equals to 10 and beta is equals to -10. For the frame the equation, we mean that we use the formula is x square minus addition of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. For this I have to first find out the value of alpha plus beta is equals to 10 plus -10 is equals to 10 minus 10 is equals to how much? 0. Then alpha into beta is equals to 10 into -10 is equals to how much? -100. Now the formula for frame the equation is, the formula is x square minus sum of the roots, means that addition of the roots, means that alpha plus beta into the variable x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. Now here is x square minus sum of the root is 0 into x plus this product is -100 is equals to 0. That is, we write here x square minus 0x we cannot write here, plus minus is -100 is equals to 0. Therefore the required quadratic equation is x square minus 100 is equals to 0. This is the frame of the equation. Then we take the next question, sub question second, its solution is. Now two roots are given, means that alpha is equals to given 1 minus 3 root 5 and beta is given here 1 plus 3 root 5. Then we find out the value of alpha plus beta here 1 minus 3 root 5 plus, there is no change in sign, so I have to directly write it root of 5. Then this minus and plus get cancel. The addition becomes how much? 2. Then we have to find out its product. Alpha into beta is equals to alpha is 1 minus 3 root of 5 into beta is 1 plus 3 root of 5. When we observe carefully, this is also an identity, a minus b, a plus b. Means that we use the identity a square minus b square. Means 1 square minus 3 root of 5 square. 1 square is 1, then minus 3 square is 9, root of 5 square is 5. Means that 1 minus 45 is equals to minus 44 is the product of both. Then the required formula is, formula x square minus sum of the roots. Means that addition of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. Then substitute the values. X square minus sum of the root is 2 into x plus product of the root is minus 44 is equals to 0. Then plus minus is minus, therefore x square minus 2x minus 44 is equals to 0. Therefore, answer in full sentence, the required quadratic equation is x square minus 2x minus 44 is equals to 0. Okay, we see the next question. We see the next question, question number 6. Determine the nature of the roots for each of the following quadratic equation. Now here is solution. First question is 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to 0. Then comparing 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to 0 with the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then we get the value of a is 3, b is minus 5 and c is 7. Then we have to find out its nature. Means that first find out the value of the discriminant, means that delta. Therefore delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. So substitute the values. Minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 7. Minus 5 square is plus 25. Then minus 4 3s are 12. 12 7s are 84. Then subtraction of it. Now we have to subtract 25 from this 40, 84. We get that. From this 4 we can subtract 5, then it becomes 14 minus 5 becomes 9. Then here is 7. 7 minus 2 becomes 5. The sign is minus because this is bigger number. Means that delta is equals to minus 59. Means that is delta is less than 0. Delta is less than 0. All of you know that if delta is less than 0, the equation having not real roots. Then the answer in full sentence. Answer. Here is delta is less than 0. Means that the delta is negative. Therefore, the roots are not real. Can you understand this? Then see the next question. Root 3x square plus root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equals to 0. Here is comparing with root 3, comparing root 3 x square plus root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equals to 0 with the standard form. Form of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get the value of a is root 3, b is plus root 2 and c is minus 2 root 3. Then we have to find out the value of delta. Mean that b square minus 4ac. b is root 2 square minus 4 into a is root 3 into c is minus 2 root 3. Root 2 square is 2. Minus minus plus. Look carefully. 4 2s are 8. Into root 3 into root 3 is 3. Mean that 2 plus 8 3s are 24. Therefore delta is equals to how much? 26. Means that this value of delta is greater than 0. Then if the delta is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. So the answer the roots of given equations are real and unequal. Okay, then we take third sub question. Third sub question is m square minus twice m plus 1 is equals to 0. We have to find out its nature. So its solution is comparing m square minus twice m plus 1 is equal to 0 with the standard form of the equation. ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get the value of a is 1, b is minus 2 and c is 1. Therefore, we have to find out the nature. So delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. b is minus 2 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is also 1. Then minus 4 2 square is plus 4. Then minus 4. This is plus 4 and minus 4. Mean that is equals to how much? 0. Mean that delta is equals to 0. Therefore, if the delta is 0, then the roots are real and equal. So the answer in full sentence. Answer: the roots are real and equal. Can you understand this question? Okay. Now we see the next question in next